National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for west central Montgomery County in central Maryland, City of Manassas in northern Virginia, City of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, western Prince William County in northern Virginia, southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, east central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, western Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 10:30 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms capable of producing flash flooding along the line from South Riding to 8 miles south of Haymarket, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Some locations that will be affected by the heavy rain include Arcola, Ashburn, Bull Run, Centerville, Chantilly, Countryside, Dulles International Airport, Haymarket, Herndon, Manassas, Reston, Brambleton, Broadlands, and South Riding. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross